Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to get free learning worksheets for kids online, step by step. First, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Next, search for Kiddo Worksheets or simply click the link given in the description below. Once the website opens, you'll see many worksheet options available. Here you can choose from different learning levels and categories. These include mathematics, numbering, alphabet, vocabulary, coloring, and many other fun and interesting worksheets for kids. To download or print a worksheet, simply choose the one you like. Then click on the Download or Print button. The worksheet will be downloaded to your computer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Open the file as a PDF. Now you can print it and use it for your kids. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded free learning worksheets for kids online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.